using my Mallows Beauty subscription boxes from February and March. It's $18.99 a month including postage, and I've been subscribed to this beauty box for way over a year. Let's see what's inside. The February box contained this blueberry body scrub and it smells amazing. I absolutely love their body scrubs. The full price for this is $14.95, however there is a sale on the website at the moment and I think it's down to £12. And this peptide serum, the full price for this is $11.95, and I haven't tried this yet, so I'm quite excited about that. The full value of this box is $26.90. The March box contains 2 hair masks, tropical and watermelon. So far I've only seen this available in the mystery boxes, and I don't know if this is a sample size or full size product, so I don't have a price for this. But I also received this lemon sherbet shave butter. I've got so many of these shave butters, but so far this is the best smelling one. Oh, it just smells amazing. I don't have a price for this box, but I think that $18.99 is not too bad. I personally think that these subscription boxes are worth it. Let me know in the comments what you think.